Hi, I'm Lei. I'm the Community Volunteer Ambassador for the Santa Monica Mountains Natural Recreation Area. And much like my position, I love bringing the community together, and I'm going to be reading S'mores Indoors by Eric Robertson and Lynda Singh, illustrated by Vivian Mineker. Reading permission by Eric and Lynda Books. All right. Eleanor is fun. She skips and she soars. She loves to ride bikes, fly kites, be outdoors. She loves all her pets and her mom she adores. She loves her dad too, even when he snores. She works hard in school. She does all her chores. She dusts all the furniture, mops all the floors. She puts things away in cupboards and drawers. However, at mealtime, she forgets social mores. She eats from a bowl like a dog on all fours. She eats mounds of apples, even the cores. But there's one rule that she never ignores. She never, ever eats s'mores indoors. She digs tasty truffles with packs of wild boars. She fishes for trout in a boat with no oars. She cleans off her plate, then she'll come after yours, but she never, ever eats s'mores indoors. She hunts deer with lions, outroaring their roars. She swoops on her dinner like diving condors, then eats only greens like those strict herbivores, but she'd never, ever eat s'mores indoors. She forages berries with friendly centaurs. She stomps juice from grapes with those old minotaurs. She travels through time just to feed dinosaurs, but she'd never, ever eat s'mores indoors. She summons her skirt steaks like proud matadors, carves melons to helmets for conquistadors. She eats stacks of crepes. How many? Quarters. But she never, ever eats s'mores indoors. She styles her whipped cream into slick pompadours. She juggles 10 pairs, giving several encores. She's already banned from 13 grocery stores, but she'd never, ever eat s'mores indoors. When Eleanor goes camping, she runs and explores, climbs trees, skips rocks, finds shells on the shores. She basks in the scent of the tall sycamores and dances barefoot in the rain when it pours. At night, she counts stars and the bright meteors. A fire inspires ghost stories, folklores. See, nothing beats time spent with good friends outdoors. And that's why she never eats s'mores indoors. I really appreciate the way Eleanor brings the community together, much like what I do here at the Santa Monica Mountains. Now I'm going to make s'mores outdoors. And thank you for joining us for Reading with a Ranger.